This video will show you how to add new questions to a quiz or exam you have already created. If you need to create a quiz or exam from scratch, look for our video titled How to Set Dates and Settings on Quizzes and Exams. Now, once you have created a quiz activity on your Moodle page and adjusted its settings, follow these steps to add questions. Click on the quiz name that you want to add new questions to on the course's Moodle page. Click the Edit Quiz button. Set the maximum grade field at the top right. Now, if this course will use weighted grades, enter 100 for the maximum grade. For weighted grade courses, the different weights for quizzes and other activities are entered in the gradebook setup. If this course will use points-based grades, enter the amount of points you are assigning for this quiz. For points-based grading, the quizzes and other activities will be automatically added up for the course grade total. Now click Save. Now back to entering questions, click the Add pull-down on the right side and click a new question. Select the type of question desired. For this example, I will use multiple choice as the type. Click the Add button. On the Adding a Question page, type the question number in the question name field. Since this is the first question, I'll enter 1. In the question text field, enter the actual text of the question you're adding. Note that you can copy and paste from another source, like a Word file, for example. In the default points field, leave the field at 1 for all questions if you want all to be equal in value. Now, if you want to assign a different value to a question, like giving more value for a translation question or something like that, put in the value you want. This will be used in the automatic calculation of the student's grade on the quiz. Now back to entering our question. In the one or multiple answers field, you will typically leave it as one answer only. You will typically leave the Shuffle the Choices and Number the Choices fields at their default states. In the Choice 1 field, enter the first multiple choice answer. Because you left the Shuffle Choices setting on, the first choice won't always be the right answer. Repeat for the other choice fields. For the correct answer, you will normally choose 100% in the grade field pull down. The grade fields for all the incorrect answers should remain at none. When all your choices for this question are entered, click the Save Changes button at the bottom. You will now be back to the Editing Quiz screen and will see the entered questions. To re-edit a question, click the Edit Question gear that appears to the left of the question text. To delete a question, click the trash can icon on the right side of the question line. To add another question, click the Add pull-down on the right side just below the question line and click a new question. Once your quiz is created and saved, if you need to edit the maximum grade, here's how. Click the quiz name on your course page, then click the gear icon at the top right and click Edit Quiz. Enter the maximum grade at the top and click Save. Similarly, if you need to edit the points for a question after the quiz has been saved, you can also use this Edit Quiz function and click the pencil icon to the right of the question and enter the number of points desired. And you must press the Enter key on your keyboard to save this. So that's how to add new questions to quizzes or exams.